Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, halo Indonesia. Jumpa lagi di channel arminyou. Di video kali ini saya akan vlog tol Layang Makassar. Jalan tol ini diresmikan pada tanggal 19 Maret 2021 oleh Bapak Presiden H.Joko Widodo. Tol Layang ini panjangnya kurang lebih 4 km ya teman-teman, dari arah Jalan Andi Pangeran Ap.pettarani Makassar menuju pintu utama tol Makassar.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. Jika teman-teman suka video ini, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya guys. Ditunggu vlog selanjutnya, bye-bye.
Dilarang putar balik.